There is this constant noise in the sky. I don't know what it is, but it sounds like the wind blowing or planes are flying by or something. But the wind isn't blowing because you can see the trees clearly. Uh, trees are not blowing. So the trees are not blowing. But you hear that constant noise. You hear that? What is that? You can't see in the sky because, as you can see, you got the fake clouds covering the sky, the stars, with all the fake clouds and all that. So you can't see what's going on. But that noise is non-stop. It's like, I don't know, maybe some space crabs moving up there or something, who knows? Or something is going on in the sky that they don't want us to see. So they spray these fake clouds everywhere so you won't see the stars or nothing. But this has been going on for days, always at night. Hear that? Wow. What the hell is that?